Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best wall shelves are probably one of the most versatile and essential additions to any home, offering a stylish and practical solution to declutter your living space while simultaneously enhancing its aesthetic appeal, transforming bare walls into functional displays for your cherished items, books, or decorative pieces, ultimately maximizing your home's potential and creating a more organized and visually pleasing environment for everyone to enjoy. Number 5. Love-KANKEI Rustic Wood Floating Shelves. Introducing a set of 2 rustic floating shelves, crafted from solid wood with a beautiful torched finish. They add a touch of charm and efficiently extend your storage space. These shelves are built to last, with a total weight capacity of 36 pounds. Each board can hold up to 18 pounds, perfect for displaying your favorite items. Our unique design features a protective ledge to keep your items securely in place. Display picture frames, ornaments, and plants with confidence, knowing they won't slide off. Mounting these shelves is a breeze thanks to pre-drilled holes and included hardware. You'll have them installed and ready to use in no time. More than just storage, these shelves are a stylish addition to any room. Their rustic design makes them a perfect gift for anyone looking to enhance their home decor. What we like? This shelf features a beautiful rustic wood finish and a unique protective ledge to keep your items secure. If you're looking to add charming storage to your living room or bedroom and want to display items like picture frames or small plants without worry, this is a great choice. What people say. The shelves are easy to assemble and look great on the wall. The black finish is sleek and modern, and the shelves are sturdy enough to hold a good amount of weight. I love that these shelves come with all the necessary hardware for installation, making it a hassle-free process. Number 4. AMADA Home Furnishing Black Floating Shelves. Maximize your wall space with these versatile floating shelves. They are perfect for displaying decorations and organizing household items, adding functionality to any room. These shelves are designed to help you tidy up your home effortlessly. Their sleek design allows for both decorative and storage purposes, freeing up valuable space. These aren't just storage units, they are also stylish additions to your home. Use them to enhance the aesthetic of your living room, bedroom, bathroom, or kitchen. Each shelf features strong, hidden metal brackets that ensure a firm attachment to the wall. They are thick enough to safely hold up to 20 pounds of your cherished collectibles. Assembly is a breeze with the included instructions and hardware. These shelves are compatible with various wall types, making installation simple and convenient. What we like? With its modern matte black finish and hidden brackets, this shelf offers a clean, minimalist look. If you desire a stylish and functional way to organize your bathroom or entryway without visible hardware, these are perfect for you. What people say. The shelves are easy to assemble and install. They look great and hold a lot of weight. The black finish is sleek and modern. Number 3. YASONIC 2-pack Black Shower Caddy. Tired of cluttered shower spaces? This organizer offers a significantly larger capacity, easily holding multiple bottles and accessories. Keep all your family's bathroom essentials neatly organized in one convenient place. Our shower shelf is built to last, featuring a strong adhesive with a larger contact area. It's lab-tested to hold up to 40 pounds securely, ensuring it won't slip, bend, or sag, even with heavy items. Crafted from high-grade 304 stainless steel, this organizer is completely rust-proof. Its reinforced structure is designed to withstand moisture, steam, and splashes, staying spotless and corrosion-free for years. Setting up is a breeze with our simple 4-step process. Just clean the wall, peel, press, and mount. No tools or wall damage required, and it can be set up in just minutes. Beyond the bathroom, this organizer is perfect for various spaces in your home. Use it in the kitchen, bedroom, office, laundry room, or even your RV to meet all your storage needs. What we like? This option is completely rust-proof and installs with strong adhesive, making it ideal for wet environments. If you need a durable, high-capacity storage solution for your shower or kitchen that won't damage your walls, this is the one to get. What people say. The shelves are sturdy and hold a good amount of weight. Easy to assemble and look great on the wall. The black finish is sleek and modern, fitting well with my decor. Number 2. Amaoot Black Farmhouse Floating Shelf Set of 3. Tired of clutter? These shelves offer 3 sizes to maximize your wall space. Keep your room neat and organized with built-in guardrails to prevent items from falling. Crafted from durable solid wood and metal, these shelves are built for longevity. They are waterproof, moisture-proof, and resistant to deformation and corrosion, perfect for any room. Utilize your open wall space to organize anything from collectibles to plants. These shelves offer both beauty and practicality, perfect for any room in your home. Get organized in minutes. These shelves are incredibly sturdy and easy to install with minimal wall damage. Enjoy stability and convenience with a quick setup. Each shelf is made from naturally grown wood, showcasing unique grain patterns and color variations. Enjoy easy access to your belongings and a cleaner, more convenient life. Get organized effortlessly with this highly functional floating design. Add extra storage exactly where you need it, keeping your odds and ends tidy. What we like? Offering 3 different sizes and a 3-sided guardrail, this set provides versatile and secure storage. If you need to maximize wall space in a bathroom or kitchen and want to keep smaller items safely stored, these shelves are an excellent value. What people say? The shelves are sturdy and hold a good amount of weight. Easy to assemble and look great on the wall. The black finish is sleek and modern, fitting well with my decor. Number 1. MXCSE DIY Floating Wall Shelves. Elevate your space with these versatile wall shelves. They offer flexible display solutions, allowing you to create unique decorative effects and showcase your favorite items. Each shelf provides generous storage space for your books, photos, and decor. Combine them freely to create a custom storage unit that keeps everything organized and accessible. Crafted from natural wood and sturdy iron, these shelves are built to last. They can support up to 40 pounds and complement various home decor styles. Installation is a breeze with the included hardware and instructions. Mount them on any wall type in your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or even garage. Everything you need for a perfect DIY assembly is in the box. Enjoy a sturdy and beautiful addition to your home, ideal for gifting or personalizing your space. What we like? These shelves are crafted from sturdy paulownia wood and offer a unique DIY combination feature for a personalized look. If you appreciate an industrial or rustic aesthetic and want to create a custom bookshelf or display unit, this set allows for creative arrangement. What people say? The shelves are sturdy and hold a good amount of weight. Easy to assemble and install. The black finish looks sleek and modern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.